Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Wednesday, February 11th, 2026. Let's dive into today's market intelligence. Markets drifted lower Tuesday as investors digested disappointing economic data ahead of the jobs report. December retail sales came in flat at zero growth, missing the expected 0.4% increase, signaling consumers pulled back spending. Meanwhile, wage growth slowed to just 0.7% in the fourth quarter. Bond yields fell on the soft data, with the 10-year Treasury dropping to 4.143%. However, Fed officials remain cautious, citing inflation concerns still above the 2% target. Consumer loan defaults also rose to 4.8%, the highest since 2010. This week's standout performers were all tech names that bucked the market's volatility. Spotify surged 15% after crushing subscriber and profit margin expectations. Management's confidence that price hikes will outpace content costs forced short sellers to cover. Datadog jumped 14% on accelerating core business growth and record bookings, while Cloudflare climbed 10%, positioning itself as an agentic AI infrastructure winner with 34% revenue growth. Figma bounced 9% despite no clear catalyst, possibly a relief rally after falling over 80% from highs. Finally, Shopify gained 7.5% on dual upgrades, with analysts arguing AI-powered commerce is a tailwind heading into earnings. The software sector has reached a historic inflection point. We're seeing the most oversold technical reading ever recorded, surpassing even the depths of 2008 and the 2020 crash. But here's where it gets interesting. A clear divergence is emerging. Tuesday's earnings tell the story. Datadog surged 14%, Cloudflare jumped 10%, while AI-disconnected names continue bleeding. The market is brutally separating winners from losers. For investors, this creates a textbook setup, extreme oversold conditions meeting fundamental catalysts. The question isn't if we'll see a bounce, it's which names have the AI credentials to lead it. Looking ahead, today's January jobs report is the week's most critical data point. Economists expect 70,000 new jobs with unemployment at 4.4%. A weak print could boost rate cut hopes, while a strong one delays them. Treasury auctions today and Thursday will test investor appetite amid heavy corporate issuance, including Google's multi-billion-dollar global offering. On earnings, watch T-Mobile, McDonald's, AppLovin, and Shopify this week. Keep an eye on Middle East tensions as second-round Iran talks approach next week. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.